Welcome. Today we're covering DeepSeek ships vision. What if your AI agents could read screenshots and charts at Opus performance for flash pricing? DeepSeek releases V4 Flash Vision EXP, bringing visual understanding to read screenshots, charts, and docs. Multimodal agent capabilities match top-tier Opus 4.8 while keeping standard flash token rates. Cap images at 384 tokens and reuse uploads via free file_ID references. DeepSeek has officially released V4 Flash Vision EXP, adding powerful native visual understanding to their high-speed flash model. Your AI agents can now read screenshots, process complex charts, and parse technical documents directly to take action. On multimodal agent benchmarks, V4 Flash Vision EXP delivers a massive leap over standard V4 Flash, bringing overall visual agent performance close to Claude Opus-4.8, all at standard flash pricing without a multimodal price premium. Key features for developers and tech leaders: out-of-the-box support, set model equals DeepSeek V4 Flash Vision EXP with native integration in DeepSeek Harness 0.1.1. Cap token billing, images are tokenized with a maximum cap of 384 tokens per image. Flexible image inputs, pass images via base64, external URLs, or the new Free Files API. Free Files API, upload an image once, get a file_ID, and reuse it across multiple requests to save bandwidth. You get top-tier visual agentic capabilities natively integrated into your workflows without paying multimodal premium prices. Follow VinAI Insights for daily AI updates, delivered in under 2 minutes.